how to use getIt. For this, you must make 3 steps. First of all, you need to get package getIt to pubspec YAML. Okay, we have done, and after that, click pubget. After fetching dependencies, all you need just create maybe separate file, it will be more useful, and create instance of getIt. This getIt instance we need to add to main.dart and use this once, and we used method init in main method. After running up init method, just providing and create all of dependency which you're gonna to use on your application. You can register singleton, factory, or register lazy dependency. What does it mean? Lazy dependencies, it's dependency which will provide after calling these dependencies. If you don't use shared preferences and never use getIt, it will be like this. GetIt dot get, and never used these shared preferences. This maybe some, you can create maybe some parameters. If we never call this method and we will never create these parameters and never used it, this dependency will never create it. Okay, if you're talking about base creation and register factory, singleton, or something else in your dependencies, this will be created at moment after running up. Nope, before running up, because we use this method, and this dependency will leave all of life cycle of your application. Okay, after adding these dependencies and creation some dependencies, currently I will show you how to work with it. We can add and physical device. Okay, we will add block for analytic screens, and we create folder block, and after this analytics. Okay, after this we need to add dependencies. getIt register factory. If you need to use only same object every time, you must use singleton. If your object can rebuild and recreate like a block can live in your current widget, but block will die on another widget when you go into another page or something else, and we can use factory. It will be more useful, and it will be less memory usage. We can register factory and use our analytics box. Okay, we have registered, but for using it, currently if we go to analytics screen and maybe create some block builder, analytics add import, and after this we convert to stateful, and just for using init state we must provide some final, maybe a late analytics. Oh shit. At type analytics blocks. Yeah, correct. And in its state you could use your getit for getting your dependencies. Okay, I then import. After this use get. But if you use this one and you have use these dependencies, yeah, and after using these dependencies you must rebuild application, because all dependencies created in main function, if you have no recreate all dependencies, generator not create dependencies for this locator, and you will get some errors. What I built it not worked for this. Okay, after this we need to add our type and use this block. You can provide maybe block provider and use your block, analytics block. Okay, and if you're going to know how to use block and how work with it, which difference between provider, builder, consumer, listener or something else, you can add your comments below. Thanks for watching, and we can test it. Per device. And we're gonna to show analytics without any errors and providing block. For using block you can check your state and provide your screen. It's main things, but this locator, I get it. Why it's locator? It's not dependency injection. Locator, service locator, it's a pattern which provides you some implementation of your dependencies, and it used like maybe cached in memory all of these objects which you're gonna use. Yes, you can provide lazy initialization, but after this object will live all time in lifecycle of your application. Be careful in this. If you're gonna to create a more complex application, you must provide more data about learn more data about dependency injection. You can learn maybe some packages like injector or something else in Flutter, and you can use it. How you going to and first of all, locator and dependency injection needed for providing tests and be more flexible in development, have no strong dependencies. It's like dependencies in your constructor or something else. It's will be more useless, and you can reuse your code in different part of your application. Okay. and we have no error after building application. This is good. And how to yeah, okay. And device manager, and that works. You could try it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or something else, or some interesting themes which you're gonna to describe or something else, could you provide your comments in below this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.